everybody, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And most likely you've never heard of these instant noodles. You've never seen or conceived of such a thing. Well, I'm going to need this to make these instant noodles. Why? Why, you ask? Putting an extra H sound on the why. Because my buddy Kian went to Brazil and sent me back this. This is Nissin Lamen Doce Sabor Chocolate. Yeah, this is chocolate instant noodles. Yes, and let's see. You use oh no, what do you do? How much does it say? 220 mils of liquid or milk. Get it going and then stir it for 4 minutes and then put the sauce in. Okay, so let's get this freaking what have you started. I have a measuring thing. Milk's kind of a crazy thing to use because I don't want to burn it, obviously. That wouldn't be so tasty. Scalding it's one thing. I don't even want to do that. I just want to make this as good as it can be made. Right to there. Yeah, that's where I'm going. All right, here's our milk. It's whole milk. Actually, the date on the milk says it's expired, but we had never opened it in the first place, so we tried it last night, or she did, and I verified with her that it's still okay, and then I just took a chug off of it, and it's all right. But yeah, you want to see something to make this show really important. This says September 20th. See that? This milk says September 20th. Not only that, it's freaking whole milk, which is just gross as hell. It says September 20th. Today is September 22nd. Watch. Tastes like milk. But yeah. Chocolate instant noodles. I don't know exactly what I'm going to use to plate this. I don't know what it's going to look like in the end. The noodle block was fascinating too. So here's the seasoning. But here's the noodle block. I'm not really getting any scent off of it, which I'm okay with. I don't know if this is just going to suck up all that milk. But one thing's for certain, I don't want to burn it. I really don't want to burn it. I'm glad at least the milk's good. That puts me at ease. And it's a wonderfully cloudy day here in beautiful downtown Kenmore, Washington. The guinea pigs seem to be doing things. Babe is over there cleansing herself, making sure she's presentable. The other ones I think are sleeping. What are you doing, guinea pigs? Bleep, 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 bleep. And they moved a little bit. This is not a guinea pig episode, folks. Not a time to look at guinea pigs. Oh, I guess you can for a minute. The last thing I want to do, though, is like ruin this stuff. I already did an unboxing video, and people immediately were like, "No, that's gross. That's disgusting. You can't eat that." Where'd they go? Where are you guys? I'm looking for guinea pigs. That's on the wall. I don't know. You guys should be right there. Is that guinea pig action? Well, I'm unsure. Yeah, I'm unsure. They're over there. You guys are over there, right? Yeah, you don't want to be bothered. But are we good? We're good. It's getting warm. I'm loath to burn this stuff. How often do you get a pack of instant noodles that are chocolate flavored from Brazil? That's the way I'm looking at it. I've wanted to find a chocolate instant noodle for years, and there have been a few on the market. What else was there? There's chocolate yakisoba with chocolate sauce. There was a little bit higher. Chocolate with chocolate sauce. They generally, the ones that are dessert varieties, I'm like all about. I had a banana one from Ukraine, and I was so like coveting the other one that was strawberry flavored. I never actually used it, and it expired. I still have it though, and I was actually asked to be possibly do something with the History Channel of all things. It was a show where these guys would eat expired foods. And I actually know people who are like, that's like their YouTube shtick. But anyways, they never wanted to do it. But I've got some instant noodles that I've held on just for posterity for eons that are very, 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 like 5 to 10 years past their best by date. So it seems like a very bad idea from the get-go to just start a show based on that. Because what if we got a season of 26 episodes. Oh, our guy who was doing it, he died halfway through after eating cat food that was from the 50s. I don't know. But this is very unexpired. This is good till next year. Hey. Yeah. What got me on that topic? Guinea pigs? We don't eat the guinea pigs. Yeah, I don't know. I might have to post this sooner than I normally would. Because if I put it on the schedule right now, in the next time slot available, I think this would come out on my sister's birthday. I think this would be maybe January 20th? No, maybe. Not bad though. This week this will be the 9th review I've done this week, and I'm happy with that. Last 2 weeks I didn't do any reviews. I'm still like about 150 reviews ahead. What do you think of that? I could take like half a year off practically and still have content. There we go. We're doing a minute left. Maybe that's the deal. Ooh, I'm scared. Don't boil. Don't do things you should not do. The noodles are starting to come apart, which I like, and I'm stirring the crap out of this stuff. I don't think boiling milk is a great plan of attack, though. I feel like I just need to consistently stir these. So we got milk and we got noodle. He sent another one too, and I was having trouble figuring out what flavor it was. It was called like Banino or Banuni, and I thought, oh, maybe it's banana, but it was like BE. And it turns out that you take like sweetened condensed milk and butter and a lot of coconut and shred it up, and then bring that to a bit of heat, like to get it almost boiling or get it boiling. I can't remember what the recipe says. And then let it cool down and make little balls, roll them around in coconut, and put cloves in them. And that is a popular birthday party treat in Brazil. Learn something new every day. But it's like a coconut flavor of this. It doesn't smell bad. These noodles don't feel like completely done. I'm gonna give them a little bit more time of stirring. All right. I know you're gonna want to see this, so I'm bringing you in for the viewing. I know you like to think this is all for you, but this has nothing to do with you. I'm just letting you watch what I would be doing anyways. I'd be sitting here talking to myself. Oh wait, I already am. But oh whoa. Making funny making funny noises, being weird. Whoa, it smells like hot cocoa now. Whoa, how the crap am I gonna like plate this? It's very hot. I thought it was gonna be a darker chocolate color. And honestly, I wasn't sure that there would be any like quote unquote broth. But the way I'm looking at it right now, I think I need to plate this and then try it. No, I'll try it first. Let's see if it says anything. It might say let it cool down, or it looks like you add the seasoning in there, or whatever the flavor. And then that's that. I really want this stuff to suck up more of this liquid, I think. All right. I guess it's time. Are you ready? Are you ready? I'm ready. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna give it a tasty try. It tastes like kind of a cocoa no. I don't know what you'd call it. Oh man, there's really not a lot of it, so I gotta like find the right thing to plate it with. Hold on, hold yourself. Oh, is it in here? Yeah, I could use the Tato bowl. Be like, oh, that's my bowl. That's my bowl, dude. Why do you have my bowl? Are you gonna come here from North Little Rock to get your bowl, dude? I don't think so. Come on, man, send me my bowl. No. My bowl now. That doesn't look at all appetizing, but I mean, it's not bad. It's kind of like, it's a light. It's not like American. That's the best way I can describe it. If you've been to Asia, if you've been anywhere in the world, and you'll find that while I will say flavors in Asia are very bright, that's not the same as saying the flavors are violently strong. Okay? The flavors here, like a chocolate shake here, is more sugar than chocolate. I mean, come on, what else can I do here? Throw me a bone, people. We will use my wife's special dark stuff. We'll do a little Photoshop into that. There's some of that. I just really don't know what else to do other than add like more chocolating. But yeah, the flavors we have here are just like crazy and out of line. Other places, they're more subtle. Mmm. Where did you go? No, no. I was going to add some nutmeg. I thought better of that. All right. What a wonderful day. Yeah, I mean, it's not bad. It's not bad. Then again, I also like pumpkin spice cup noodles, so those aren't bad either. Those are really good, honestly. It's not bad. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every freaking day. Have a good one. Bye-bye now.